some pretty good progress tonight. I've done this multiple times. It's probably pretty evident by the way this video is starting, but I bought a low mileage engine for the G. A lot of conception about like the engines aren't really low miles from Japan or whatever. Like we're just gonna see. I mean, this car sat around for years. I have a lot of money in this car and I never drive it. I can't drive it. So I just pulled the plug, bought a low mileage engine. If everything goes good, I'm thinking about just putting the Pro Charger back on. That's kind of what it's going to be. Probably not a lot of talking. As usual, I'm holding the camera and working, so usually I just get caught up in the work trying to get it done. I'm going to call it a quick day here. I've only spent like 2 hours, but it's pretty much ready to come out. I got like a mosquito problem going on. I don't know where they're coming from. Fresh early morning for day 2. Feeling a lot better today. I did not feel good yesterday. Stomach was hurting, felt like super laggy. I noticed a lot of people felt like that. Even at the gym, people kind of looked way off. Coworker building the Subaru. This one's kind of been like a ground up. Funny story, this purple was actually for that car. And then he changed his mind, so I bought the purple from him. Because G's look so much better in a purple. You want to make swapping engines easier, buy a forklift. Way cheaper than a cherry picker. Took like 3 minutes. So really I need to pull this trans. I already got a new pilot bearing. I need to open this one up. I haven't even opened it. That'd be crazy if it was like a rev up instead of a DE. Off the rip, this thing is super clean. I mean, I'm sure it's crazy what a pressure washer would do, but I wanted to see. Like that says Pitwood oil filter, right? OEM Nissan, whatever. If its engine came from Japan, wouldn't it have Japanese writing on stuff? Not English? You would think. So I'm busy swapping things over, but I noticed the rear main was leaking really bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that while I'm here. It's a lot of work swapping everything over, but we're getting there. I've made a literal mess. Taking this oil pan off wasn't part of the plan, but I want to fix it while I see it. So we're about 6 or 7 hours, I think, into this now, like actual work hours. She sat in. It's kind of cleaning up a little bit. Turned into a whole wreck out here. And now that's sat in. This might be a thumbnail. This might be thumbnail worthy. Yeah, get headers, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Oh, some people want to see the work being done, huh? Here you go. This is what it looks like. I need oil and I need coolant and I need a pump to get the gear oil back in. other than that, if I had oil and coolant, I could try to start it. If I just had oil, I could try to start it right now. I need to get an oil filter too. It's the most put together this car's ever been. I'm trying to like actually go around and put like the brackets back where they're supposed to be. And all right, day 3. I was here super late last night, but today we got oil, like everything to get this started up. Normally I would just start it right here, like where it's at, but I think I'm actually going to go ahead and hook up the radiator as well and get it kind of pumping too, because I have a lot of faith in this one. I didn't have faith in the other ones too much, so I would start them as soon as I could just to see. But this one should be fire, so I'll try to get it pretty much fully assembled to start. All right, so just kind of getting prepared, tidying up. I needed a new cable connection. I've got this relay pulled out, which is for fuel pump, because I want to prime it first, like oil wise. Hopefully its battery's got a charge. I mean, I got a jump box if it don't. Other than that, gear shifter's hooked up, so I can put it in neutral. No, drive shaft's not in, so it doesn't really matter, but I want it in neutral. Oil's in, everything's tidied up, intake's on, mass airflow's plugged in. I think we're good. I think we're good to hook it up and see turnover wise what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna let y'all ride with me for this process. The fuel pump relay is back in. Okay, so I heard it come on, kind of prime up the system here. Steering rack has a major leak. I'm gonna have to fix that like pronto before I drive this car at all. Seeing a lot of oil on this side burning. It may just be for me grabbing the headers. I'm gonna take a flashlight and look around. All right, now the exhaust and everything's hooked up. Car's got coolant in it. Smoother. Got it pushed out into the daylight here. Oh yeah, that's solid. With the rack leaking, I don't want to start it and get oil everywhere again, so I just pushed it out. Just kind of wanted to end this off. I did get the steering rack lines installed, but it's still leaking, so I did crack the rack. Just kind of draining coolant, going through. I need to go get my code reader and see what kind of codes are coming up. Get everything lined up. I've just been detailing the inside. This car is so clean. Not like I just cleaned it type of clean, but like most of the G's you see, this car is so clean. I need to clean up the engine bay. I sprayed the top plenum to match the paint. At this point, I just need to get a couple of things lined out, take it for a test drive, and then as soon as the test drive's done, I'm gonna cut and buff the whole car. And then at that point, I probably will list this car for sale. I don't necessarily want to sell it, but either this car or the Audi has to go, so. And I could rebuild this car again with any other G. I may not know how to paint and everything, so. But boy, is it clean. And with the supercharger, this car would be just so beautiful. But so is this one. Sometimes it takes a sacrifice to move up. That's kind of the hardest part of being a car guy. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here though. I already filmed an outro, but I didn't really like it. And like I said, I didn't feel good last week when I was working on this car, but now I feeling good today. Been to the gym and everything. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I had a day off in 2 weeks, so let me know what y'all think in the comments. As usual, yeah, this car was really supposed to have an LS. That's really what I wanted to do. I don't see it happening now. Oh well. See y'all in the next one.